I just feel incredibly honored to be here today to celebrate your love and you as a couple.
When Anna first started telling me about Raunaq, I knew it was different. I think Raunaq is a very good companion to Anna. He has this calmness and confidence to him that I think mirrors Anna in lots of ways. They are both strong individuals and stronger even together as a couple.
Anna, a few years ago, I got a gift from you that said we will always be friends because you know too much about me. The most important thing I know about you, Anna, is that you have always been searching for that true love, and I'm so glad you finally found it. I want both of you to remember that real true love isn't just a feeling. Real love is an action and a choice made every second of every day to put someone else before yourself. Love, cherish, and praise each other every single day.
To Anna and Raunaq, to your health, happiness, and harmony, peace be with you forever and ever.
Raunaq, you have taken Anna to be your wife. Do you promise to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her, in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, to be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Anna, you have taken Raunaq to be your husband. Do you promise to love him, comfort him, honor and keep him, in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, to be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Say to Anna, and I hope the tissues are nearby, but Anna, we're so proud of you. You've grown into such a warm, loving, empathetic woman. We couldn't have asked for a better daughter, and I just want to say thank you. When Anna was very young, she was very inquisitive, so she used to look up to me and say, Dad, am I going to get married? And then, as I think a lot of you know Anna, she became very empiric and analytical in her ways. So at about 8 or 10 years old now, when she was going through the calculus of relationships in her mind, she says, well, Dad, how am I going to know when I find the right one? At the time, geometry was going on, and the circle was one of her favorite geometric shapes. I said, well, Anna, you know, if you're looking for somebody in your life, think of this big circle. And down the middle of that circle, it's going to break. There's going to be a practical side. And then there's going to be a very impractical side. So on the practical side, you're going to check some boxes. Do you feel the same way about relationships? Maybe even religion, but spirituality, finances, all the things that make somebody a really good friend. And I said, you want to make sure you got that half of the circle filled out. Then we come over to the romance side of it, but I'm talking to a 10-year-old right now, so I said, think of it as fireworks. You know, the pitter-patter in your heart when you see somebody that you just, it's just an amazing feeling that you have. Think of that person that you pine when they're gone, and you're just very warm when they come back into your life if they've been separated for a while. And I said the important thing in life is that you have both sides of that circle. Make sure you find somebody that's that complete circle. So fast forward to today. And Anna, you have the complete circle. And I know this to be true because I can see in your eyes when you look at each other. You've got that special bond that I know is going to be a lifetime of joy for both of you guys.
I wish you lifetimes of happiness and love filled with moments when you make each other laugh, bring each other peace, and support one another. You have both found an incredible partner in each other. Congratulations. We all love you very much.
Good evening, everybody. For those who don't know me, I am the younger brother of this guy. I look older, but I promise I'm 3.5 years younger. And what a privilege it is for me to be standing here as his best man. Congratulations to the both of you. I'm very happy that my brother found Anna. We moved around a lot as a family, and this guy was my pillar. So I love you, Dada. I'm very happy for you. To Dada and Anna, wish you all the very best.